3,000 people will be dining right here in the heart of the Sydney CBD, and you couldn't think of anything better than having the biggest lunch anywhere in this country, right down this street. Today is the big day.
There's truly something for everybody.
We do live in the best city in the world. And today we kick off the greatest summer we've ever had.
It'd be remiss of us not to acknowledge our fearless leader, the Honourable New South Wales Premier Dominic Perrottet here today.
So the wines that you're experiencing today, planted by Maurice O'Shea in 1921 in the Hunter Valley.
The ladies and gentlemen, Samantha Payne, and of course,
enjoy.
Wines. As my mate Dickie Wilkins always said, Sydney, how bloody good. Where else would you want to be? Massive thanks, Destination New South Wales, TLS Event Management, We Are Gather, our partners San Pellegrino, Mount Pleasant Wines, Better Beer, Fever Tree, Patron, and of course, the Hilton at Sydney, Luke Mangan, but most importantly, you guys, because if you're not here supporting the city, there's no mouths to feed. So kick on into the city, have a great night, and we'll see you next year.